up, guys? We're out camping. We brought the RZR. Hey, what's up, Cole?
Chanel's the Jeep. That's mine. That's the big family one.
We're gonna go out and do some fishing. We're gonna bash this new Max.
You forgot the batteries? Oh no.
No, we got batteries. We got this ramp that we built. We just threw it together. It's nothing real fancy, but you'll see it in one of the videos. Quick, easy build. It was like, I don't know, $10 to build this ramp. So, it's just a little launch ramp. Threw some paint on there. Just made it like this one by all the way. Couple pieces, really lightweight, really thin, light.
What is the Mogollon Rim?
So, I'm pretty pumped. Got the new Max. We're gonna go smash this thing, throw it over this ramp as hard as we can, and see if it will survive. Will it make it? Probably. Wow, guys, this thing is freaking a beast. Footage. Body's a little bit screwed up right now, but So we just did that jump. What happened? It stopped. Let's see what happened in here. Let's see what happened.
It's like nothing.
Oh, battery got disconnected right there.
Yep, battery got connected. Okay,
Oh, there it is.
now back on. Oh, footage, sambo.
To anybody out there who, when they think of Arizona, they just think of hot desert. Look at this.
No, Kool-Aid.
So we've got the little Traxxas Slash going here, and we've got the ramp over here. You want to try it right now? Just go for it. Woo!
That's the best replay.
Yeah, he's gonna be going a lot faster. So get way back there where the max is. Go for it. You made it!
I got it! It landed!
Ready? Gonna do it again? Okay, come back around. There's the lake down there.
I can't look down.
What's up, guys? Just doing some fishing. Little stuff. Nothing crazy, you know, kid stuff.
Here's my fishing rod. See me fishing that fishing.
Beautiful out here, though. Love getting out of the city, getting out here camping.
Oh,
See you guys later.
got my weight.
Okay, ready? Tumble footage. Come this way.
Whoa! That's a big boy. That's big. Dad, the lid is falling off. Cut you off. The tree got in the way.
This is where it ended up when we did that huge jump. Show them how far this is.
All the way this far. And it landed in barbed wire. I hope my dad did not get stuck in it. Okay.
Right.
My dad. I can't go very quick.
Footage.
Jumbo Wumbo.
Now reach one out to him. Oh, look at that.
So cute. It looks like the little chipmunk with fluffy little legs.
I know, he looks storing it in his big.
He is totally storing it.
He's so cute.
Are you gonna swallow all that food? There you go, buddy.
I want to pet him. Should I pet him? No. I'm gonna touch his tail. Should I touch his tail? I'm gonna touch his tail.
He's like, am I famous?
I know.
You're not famous? Yeah.
But like,
You're famous. Something on my YouTube video.
Dude, look how close he is to us.
Hold on. I'm gonna feed him again.
Did you not get your fish?
Chimney. I know, not a chipmunk, but not a fish.
Well, yeah.
Oh my god.
So we've made a friend. He's just hanging out. Me and Munchers. That's what we've named him, Munchers 2. What's up, Munchers? Little Munchers. He sure does love, what is this? Harvest Cheddar Sun Chips, approved by chipmunks. He's like, I'm not going anywhere. You guys got a whole bag.
Yeah.